Asterwood Triple Repair Matrixyl 3000 Serum. Asterwood Triple Repair Matrixyl 3000 Serum is a cutting-edge skincare treatment designed to rejuvenate and restore skin health. Infused with advanced peptides and natural botanicals, this serum targets signs of aging, enhances skin elasticity, and promotes a youthful appearance. Professional uses. Anti-aging treatment. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles, improving overall skin texture. Hydration booster. Deeply moisturizes the skin, enhancing its suppleness and glow. Skin firming. Promotes collagen production, resulting in firmer, more resilient skin. Post-procedure care. Ideal for use after dermatological treatments to soothe and repair skin. Benefits. Improves skin elasticity, enhances firmness and reduces sagging. Promotes cell regeneration, encourages the turnover of skin cells for a refreshed look. Brightens complexion, evens skin tone and reduces the appearance of dark spots. Suitable for all skin types, gentle formulation that can be used on sensitive skin. Elevate your skincare routine. Transform your daily regimen with the Asterwood Triple Repair Matrixyl 3000 Serum. Feel the difference as your skin becomes more youthful, luminous, and vibrant.